Hi beauties, it's me Evie, and I hope that this is becoming the best December for you yet. I know we've had our tree up since Thanksgiving and the decor, and it's made me just feel in a better mood altogether. This year for Christmas, if you are just trying your hardest to find something that you could get for a daughter, a sister, an aunt, a mother even, if they love skincare and makeup, I could not recommend more to signing up to an Ipsy or to a BoxyCharm, or both. And we're just going to jump right into the BoxyCharm that we have this month. I'm so excited to jump in it. The theme this month is You're the Main Attraction. And girl or guy, watching this, you definitely are the main attraction. Just your very soul shines. And it's up to you to let other people see it or not. I love to smile at people that I don't know, that may look like they're having a hard day, or maybe they're very smiley, but it just takes that one person smiling at them to make them feel like they are the main attraction. I want to do that for other people. I want it done for myself, and it's the perfect time of year to do that. So remember, you're the main attraction. Ipsy tells you so. So in the for the Ipsy family, we got a little bag for water bottles. I think that's so cute, especially if you're not carrying a purse big enough to carry your water bottle. So that is a precious. And thank you, Ipsy, for thinking about me, and BoxyCharm. And then they gave us some little sockies. It's so cute. You know, this is our BoxyCharm box. Even though it's very much Ipsy, I think they just decided to keep it separated with the different names. So this is our BoxyCharm, and you know it has 5 full-size items. If you are a monthly subscriber, you get to pick 3 products each month, or you can just let Ipsy pick it. And a BoxyCharm box is up to $200 worth of products. So I am just going to pull out the first thing, which is something we've seen here quite often, and it is a Persona eyeliner. It is brown and plum. Ooh, I like that it's not just black. That's great. I don't like to open these because I definitely don't need one right now. So I like to keep them in their packages. But we love Persona. It's a great brand. This product is from REM Beauty. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette in a new little contraption. Oh. So it's 6 shades, and they look to be very pretty. Oh, that's a black. I thought it was a green. One of the shades is just like the one we got in Ipsy this month. Okay, those are the shades. Very pigmented, very smooth. And that is from REM. Look at that. I love that packaging. You know the packaging. It is a JLo Beauty This is that fresh take. It is an eye cream. And I just love anything that's from JLo. It's the marshmallow-y looking cream. I wish we would get the moisturizer again. Oh, it's so silky smooth. I'm gonna love that. The next thing we have is from Caloray, Come Hell or High Water. It is a clean mascara. What? Oh, I love the container. Okay, so this is zero smudge proof and it's life proof, resistant, beautiful and buildable from the first stroke. Volumizes, curls, and conditions. It's a dose of argan oil for lush lashes. An easy roll-off removal. Next gen tubular tech stays on till you slip it off. Sexy sustainable turn-ons, 100% post-consumer recycled paper box and ocean plastic tube. Low impact decoration so this beautiful brand can go again and again. Now the last product we have is from TYS. It is Final Threat Hyaluronic Acid Infused Setting Spray. I needed a setting spray, honestly. So good thing this one come in. Ooh, I like a nice clean white bottle. Oh, I like that spray. Oh, that's nice. It's not a drench you spray, just a fine mist. I actually am very, very excited to have that. So that is our boxes. I just want to thank Ipsy and BoxyCharm for making my year brighter, my December enjoyable. Thank you for all of you that keep watching me unbox my boxes and enjoys it as much as I do. If you could just remember to like, comment, subscribe, so remember you're loved and appreciated. And I'm wishing you the merriest of Christmases.